In this guide, I will show you how to see other people's best friends on Snapchat. If you're curious about how to view other people's best friends on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. While it's easy to pin someone as your best friend on Snapchat, seeing other people's best friends isn't as straightforward. However, with a few steps, you can get some insights. Open Snapchat and navigate to the profile page of the person whose best friend you want to see. You can do this by tapping on their profile picture or username. Once on their profile page, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You'll find the My Friends section. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't provide a direct option to view someone's best friends list on this page. It means you won't see their best friends list here. While you can directly see their best friends, you can explore a quick add feature. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the quick add section, you'll find suggestions of people to add. These suggestions are based on mutual connections, including friends of your friends. So, sometimes the people suggested in the quick add list could be best friends of your friends. While it's not a direct method, it provides some insight into your social connection. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.